Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to study, you know, what is the difference between equal and equivalent sets. This lesson is for grade 7 mathematics first quarter. And if you're new to my channel, please one, subscribe. Two, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Alright. Our lesson is about equal sets and equivalent sets. The cardinal number of set A, denoted by n, open and close parenthesis A, is a number of elements in the set. Thus, in A or set A, with elements A, E, I, L, U, where the n or the cardinality of A is 5, because there are 5 elements in set A. Okay? Two sets that contain exactly the same number of elements are called equivalent sets. If we are given set A with elements 1, 2, 3, and 4, and set B with elements M, A, T, H, we say that set A is equivalent to set B. So this is the symbol for equivalence. No? Both sets contains 4 elements, so hence they are equivalent. Okay? Now, when can we say that a set are equal? Two sets that contain exactly the same element are said to be equal sets. If we are given A or set A with AAILU and B with set EOUIA, then we can say that A is equal to B, or set A is equals to set B. These two sets contain exactly the same elements and therefore are equal. Now, example, are the following sets equal? So we have set A with element CAR, set B with element ARC, set C with elements 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth, and D with elements 5, 10, 15, and 20, and infinitely. So what will be our solution? Yes, set A and B are equal sets, no? Because they contain exactly the same element. So, exactly the same element. The order of listings of the elements does not change the set, right? Set for B, set C and D are not equal sets. Why? They do not contain exactly the same element. Okay, so they are not equal. Now, let us have this one. Are the following sets equivalent? Okay, so again, no, so we have set A with CAR, set B with ARC, CMATH, and D with elements 1, 2, 3, and 4, and etc. So what will be our solution? Set A and B are equivalent sets because they contain each 3 elements. So, they have 3 elements, no? Set D contains an infinite number of elements. Yes, because this dot, no, it the meaning of these three dots, that means is these are infinity number of elements. While C contains four elements, so hence C and D are not equivalent sets. All right. Let us identify sets which are equal or equivalent. So we have given our set A with elements R, A, A, D, and set B with elements B, L, U, C with elements 1, 9, 5, 3, set D with elements 1, 2, 0, 7, and set E with elements D, E, A, R, and set F with element 1, 4, and 3. So if we're going to get the answer here, I could say that A is equal, or set A is equal to set E. Okay? And set B is equivalent to set F. Right? While set C is equivalent to set D. And at the same time, set A is equivalent to set C. And also set A is equivalent to set D. All right? All right, so let's have this one. No, are the following statements true or false? Okay, number one, a set with elements O and E is equal to the set with element N, A, O. Of course, if you can see this, uh, the element on this set, no, on this set is the same, exactly the same on this set. So these are equal. So this means number one is equal. Huh? And number two, and it is true. Now the answer is true for number one. Number two, we have elements with, or the set with elements 2, 4, 6, and so on and so forth. This means this set is composed of numbers or counting numbers, skip counting from 2, 4, 6 up to 50. So these are even numbers, no? And on the other side, we have odd numbers from 1, 3, 5 to 49, which has the same number of this. So this one is equivalent. So number two is true. Number three, the first set has ATOM as element, no? Which says that's equivalent to set, the second set, which is TOMS. So there are equivalent because they have the same number of elements. And number four, we have first set has three Roman numerals 1, 2, and 3. And we have on the other set, we have 1, 2, 3, which are Arabic numbers. So this means they are equal. So number 4, true. Number 3, true. And number 5, on the first set, we have Jose, Apolinario, and Andres. On the second set, we have Rizal, Mabini, and Bonifacio. Okay, so if you can see, this referring to one person, but what we are talking here is the number of elements. So these are equivalent sets. Alright, so the answer here is true. So again, number 1 is true, number 2 is true, number 3 is true, 4 true, 5 true. So these are all correct. And this satisfies the meaning of equivalent and equal sets. Okay? So for questions and clarifications, try it and the comment section. And before I go, remember to subscribe, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. And remember, gratitude is the best attitude. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And please make a love shout out to all my teams, no, the organic barcadas, YTC International, solid team family, and team Angie. Make a love shout out to all of you, and please be a member and support this channel for the goodness. So later I will tell you saan mapupunta ang 20% of the revenues on this channel. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye-bye.